apple. Now we have the number 2. 2, say 2. 2 bananas. Next, the number 3. 3, say 3. 3 balls. Here comes the number 4. 4, say 4. 4 cars. Now, the number 5. 5, say 5. 5 books. Up next, the number 6. 6, say 6. 6 pencils. Now, we have the number 7. 7, say 7. 7 stars. Look, it's the number 8. 8, say 8. 8 flowers. Next is the number 9. 9, say 9. 9 butterflies. And finally, the number 10. 10, say 10.